Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Everett, and Everett is 2 years, 3 months old. And Everett has Down syndrome. He can belly crawl, but he can't crawl on his hands and knees. He can stand at furniture, but tends to lean all over it. He can cough well, too. He can pull up the stand, but he cannot walk, and he does not walk with handheld support. So one of the ways I work on that is I get behind them, giving full trunk support, and then I can help weight shift them and move a leg. Help weight shift and move a leg. Help weight shift and move a leg. And if you notice, my hand is going to support his trunk in the front, weight shift and move a leg. So this is how I work on the earliest walking with kids. Just weight shift them, give them support fully from behind. I'm on my knees. Weight shift, move a leg. Weight shift, move a leg. That way you teach the pattern of shifting weight to one side so that one leg can move. I'd love it if he were to take that step on his own, but right now it's just full passive assist. Hope this is an easy way for you to start working on independent walking assisted, working toward independent walking for a child who is late in their walking skills. Hope this is helpful. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.